Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GusandShow.com. I want to talk to you about applying for a mortgage during the COVID. All I want to say to you is be prepared for long waiting times. Be prepared for very unique conditions. Be prepared that your job may not be good enough to get a loan even though you think you're working the same amount of hours. Be prepared for a lot of unique types of things that might catch us and get the loan denied. Now, these banks are coming up with new little rules, and for example, let's say that you are working for a restaurant and they've been paying you and you've been working, but there's no guarantee that the restaurant will be able to reopen in, let's say, 2 months. They may not use that income at all. They're going to determine the viability of that company by maybe just understanding their financials. I don't know. There's lots of weird things going on. So be careful. I hope you're not in a business that was affected by COVID. Your job's been no problems, no issues. You're essential. Things are going good. That won't be the issue, but verifying your employment might be because your HR department's at home. If your credit score is below 660, there's only a handful of banks doing it in the country, so they're bombarded. Turn times are horrible. I'm getting screamed at left and right. I just want to apologize up front. Applying for a mortgage during COVID, it's rocking and rolling out there, but it's just a slower process. Be prepared. If you're going to refinance, expect 60-day turn times. If you're purchasing conventional, we're going to close you in 25, 30 days right now. But the sub 660 VA and FHA, there's only a handful of banks, and it's very slow. So be prepared for lots of weirdness, lots of weird, unique questions from your loan officers, things that they've never asked before. I'm not going to get into all of it. If you're self-employed, my gosh, that's even harder to prove that your business is not affected. If you got rental income, some banks are taking rental income, some banks aren't taking rental income. If you're buying investment property, you can't use the rental income. If you're trying to refinance and you're 3 flat, you can't use the rental income you're receiving, even if they're paying on time. Lots of crazy stuff, okay? Cash out refinance is up to 80%, costing 5 points at 4.5. So be prepared for some weird stuff. If you're normal, don't expect anything weird. When I say normal, I mean if you're excellent. If you have an 800 credit score, 20% down, you're still going to get a great rate. So give us a call, 630-915-7550. Thanks.